Hello, I am milk. I calm your gut. I make digestion smooth. Hello, I am yogurt. I bring good bacteria. I heal your gut. Hello, I am banana. I add fiber. I support gut flow. Hello, I am oats. I clean your gut. I help digestion move. Hello, I am sauerkraut. I repair your gut. I add probiotics. Hello, I am ginger. I activate digestion. I break buildup. Hello, I am flaxseed. I add healthy oils. I ease digestion. Hello, I am lentils. I control digestion speed. I keep balance.
Hello, I am pizza and I bring FAT. Fat for your body, fat for your belly, fat for your future. Hello, I'm bacon. Crispy, tasty, and very good at one thing, turning your arteries into a cozy home of fat, one spray at a time. Hello, I am the burger. I don't run, I build. FAT. Fat in your arteries, fat in your belly, one bite at a time. Tasty for you, powerful for fat. Hello, I don't just taste good, I drip fat, and your body keeps every drop. Hello, every bite you love, I turn it into fat. Slow, smooth, and permanent. Hello, I melt nice and slow, then turn straight into fat. And trust me, your body loves holding on to me. Hello, I don't just taste good. I decorate your body with fat, layer by layer. Nice and permanent. Hello, I'm sweet, creamy, and friendly. But every sip, that's extra fat settling in nice and cozy.
Hello, I'm broccoli. I activate fat-burning power naturally. Hello, I'm ginger. I boost heat to burn fat faster. Hello, I'm avocado. I help remove unhealthy fat from your body. Hello, I'm apple. I help clean excess fat gently. Hello, I'm green tea. I help reduce fat naturally. Hello, I'm walnut. I support healthy fat balance. Hello, I'm egg. Strong, steady, and full of protein power. I help your body break down stubborn fat naturally. Hello, I'm oats. I soak up extra fat and keep things clean. Hello, I'm chia seed. I slow fat down and keep your flow clean.
Hello, I am lemon. I help manage blood sugar. Hello, I am bitter gourd. I help control blood sugar naturally. Hello, I am cinnamon. I improve insulin sensitivity. Hello, I am fenugreek. I slow sugar absorption. Hello, I am gymnema. I reduce sugar absorption. Hello, I am chia seeds. I reduce sugar spikes. Hello, I am barley. I stabilize blood sugar levels. Hello, I am black seed. I support sugar balance.